everyone, welcome back to the series on project development with Node.js. I'm Sanket Singh, and in this video we are going to actually implement our controllers and we will be able to complete end-to-end our APIs. So without any further delay, let's just start. So in the previous set of videos we have already set up the category service and product service. So let's just close these files for the time being. We'll go to controllers and we'll make a new file, category controller.js. Okay, first of all we need to get the service, so I would say category service is equals to require services category service. Okay, cool. Now we need to we will be having a set of functions. So const create category, request comma response, and let's just copy this, paste. Then we should have remove category, update category, get category. This should be get all categories. Let's just export them. Okay, cool. Now let's see. So as soon as we have our basic setup for the controllers done, right, we can start implementing the corresponding controllers, right? So let's just quickly say a try catch. Okay, so we can say console.log error in case of error, and rest.status 500 or JSON. Success is false. Message something went wrong. Right, and this should be good. Okay, so let's copy paste this basic boilerplate everywhere. It's a simple CRUD, so no, not much thinking going to be there. And let's say we'll open category service. This expects just a data, so we can say const category is equals to await. Let's make all of these functions async. All these functions should be asynchronous. Okay, and we should say await category service dot create category, and we should pass request dot body. At last we should say rest dot status 200 dot JSON message successfully created the category, and success is true and data is category. Okay, this should be the case. Let's copy paste this piece of code everywhere and we'll just make simple modifications. Okay, let's see. So this should be a remove category. Okay, and inside remove category, delete category, it is delete category service dot delete category, and it is expecting an ID, I guess. Yes, so we should get it in params dot ID. Successfully removed the category. Okay, and then update category. So dot update category, it is expecting, I guess, two parameters, ID and data. So this should get request dot params dot ID comma request dot body, and this should be good. Then we can say get category dot get category and request dot params dot ID, and this should be get all categories Get all categories is not expecting anything. Let's remove that. Successfully fetched all the categories. Successfully fetched the category. Here successfully updated the category and remove the category. This should be good. Okay. Now what we can do is we can go to routes v1 index.js. We can get our controller const category controller const category controller
ज़्यादा दिन नहीं हुआ था, ज़्यादा दिन कल भर तो होगा क्या था, ज़्यादा दिन
is equals to require sorry category controller. Okay, we can say router dot get. If you'll say slash category, right, it should say category controller dot get all categories. We can have router dot post slash category. This should give you category controller dot create category.
मोदी सरकार चेंज कर दिया
Then router dot get
ऑटोमेटिक देता है
slash category
ऑप्शन था कि 6 महीने वाला को साल भर करके बना दो.
this should be category controller dot get category. Then router dot patch category slash colon id category controller dot update category. And then router dot delete
उतने देगा पैसा उतने लेगा पैसा
slash category slash id. This is category controller dot remove category. So our basic set of APIs are ready. Basic set of APIs I believe are ready. Right, let's see if the server is running. Let's just run the server. Okay, server started successfully. Now we should go to slash API slash v1 slash I would say category. Okay, this should be a post request for the time being because we need to create some categories first. In the body we need a name and an ID. So let's say ID is 1, and let me open the official website and see what they have as the category. So let's say gold. If we send, and okay, so it says unauthorized because we have to activate the token. Send. Okay, cannot post. Okay, there is some error that we have encountered, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, now let's just try again. Okay, so we have another category. The URL was wrong. That was the issue. So let's see the compass, refresh. We have our project and we have categories. So here you can see we have categories, right?
हेलो हो 800 ठीक.
Let's keep 3 categories for the time being. Okay, so we are able to successfully get a category. If you want to, let's say now update a category. So let's say category slash 3, we want to have a patch request, and inside body, let's say name is not rings, let's just not pass ID. Let's say the name is silver. Okay, so if you send the request, it says successfully updated the category. Let's see what categories do we have now. So we have diamond, silver and gold. Makes sense. If you want to delete, let's say we go for the delete request and send it. It should have removed the silver category. Okay, so it has not removed it actually. Let's see what's wrong there. So remove delete category. find one and delete. ID, what ID we are passing? Request.params.id. Okay, let's see. Console.log category. If you send the request again, let's see the logs. Okay, category dot find by one. Okay, find by one. It's not by one, it's one. Find one. Find one and delete. I guess same issue should be there. It should be fine. Okay, let's try again. And refresh. Okay, the category is gone. Right. Now if you, let's say, do get request here for getting all the categories, so you are getting all the categories. Right. So all the APIs for the categories are working perfectly fine. Right. Okay. Now what we can do is, let's just do one quick thing. Let's go to controller and make a new file. Product controller.js. We'll get everything as it is from category controller and we'll paste it here. First of all, let's just get a product service. This should be product service. Okay. And let's just close all the functions for the time being. This should be create product, remove product, update product, get all products. Okay, let's export them also. Get product, update product, remove product, and create product. Okay, so this exports is done. So let's just go to create product. So it should be product service. Everywhere, let's just quickly do product service. Okay, good. Now product service dot create product. Okay. And okay, I guess okay, there is one small issue that we have created. We'll resolve it just a moment. So product service, this should be product. Product. It's like CRUD part is going to be like simple everywhere. This should be delete product. This should be update product. This should be get product. And this should be dot get all products. Okay, cool. Now let's just see. In create product, we need to pass request.body. Remove product should be good. This should be good, and this should be good. Makes sense. Now there is one small issue in the models. Actually, inside category we should not have ID because ID is something that automatically Mongo gives us. So let's avoid ID from here and even avoid ID from products. Right? Even avoid ID from products. Okay? Let's avoid it. Even in our database, let's do one thing. Let's kill all the categories. Right? And let's make new categories. So post request with category name silver. Send, created the category. Gold, created the category, I believe. Let's see. It's only silver. It's not creating gold. Let's see why. Okay, 1 second. Let's restart the server. Let's try again. Let's refresh. Okay, I believe let's do one thing. Let's remove the whole. Let's drop the whole collection. Categories. Okay, and let's try again. Let's send it. Okay, gold has been created. Actually, it was having old validation already there. Silver. and diamond. Now we should have new categories with already populated ID. Right, refresh categories and already populated ID is there. Makes sense. Cool. Now if we go for products and if we go to index.js, first of all we need to get product controller. So const product controller is equals to require controller slash product controller, and then we can add few routes. Copy, paste. This should be product. This should be product controller. Remove product. Update product. Dot get product. Sorry, should be get product. Create product. Get all products. Okay, so our product API is also ready. Now let's try to create some product. So product. Okay, for creating product, what all we need, let's just go to the service and see. So product, we need name, price, category, image, ID. So name, price, category, image. Now we don't need ID here. We don't need ID here. And description is something that we need. Description. Okay, so let's say name of the product is, let's say, necklace. Okay, price is, let's say, this. Category, now let's just get some category. So this category ID, let's say it's a gold necklace. So category ID. Image, we can say https www.img.com, some random image link. Basic description. Okay, let's see if we are able to create the product. Send. Okay, so there is some issue. It still says created category because our logs are not correct. So product controller, it should have said product, but there is some more issue. Let's go to the console. Okay, path category is required. I guess category is required. Category is required. It's not taking category. Let's see why. Let's see what are the data that we are getting here in the product service. So let's just go to the product service and let's just go to console.log data. Okay, if you send the request again, so name, price, category, image, description, this should be the category. Oh, sorry, my bad, spelling mistake was there. Now it should be okay. See, now we are able to create it. Let's add a ring also, same category. Then let's say take another category and add a ring. Let's say the price is less, and necklace also should be there. Send. Cool. So if we see here, refresh, we are able to get a lot of products. All the products are there. If you want to delete a product, that should be like really easy. We can just call for our delete request, right? And the product slash, let's just pass an ID. So ring, this ring, let's say one necklace we get. So let's just paste it here and try to send the request. Oh, it should have successfully removed the product. So this product should not be there. So there are total 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there are 2 necklaces. There should be now only 1. Refresh. See, now there is only 1 necklace. So all the APIs are working perfectly fine. Let's just quickly commit it. So git add all, git commit -m, add it, category and product control. So in the next video, we are going to actually implement the final API for product that is going to help us to fetch the product based on a category, that is to list all the product of a category. That being said, let's just wrap it up here. We are going to meet soon in the next video, guys. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you.